Look at what happened to my lettuce. You fought so hard, little lettuce plants. I'm so sorry I failed you. But look at my cucumber plants. Ooh. Ah. Today I'm going to be planting these and starting on my new vegetables. These are my flowers. My impatience, they took forever, okay, but here they are. I'm gonna plant those too because I need the space, sorry. So, yeah, let's get started. Here's my little garden. Cucumbers. Tomatoes. Hopefully that turned into lettuce, but I might have to replant those. We'll see. Those ones look okay. Now to plant my other stuff. So here's my empty tray. Got some more of those. They're 15 cents a piece, but you can get them in like super bulk online. So second verse, same as the first, except for this time I'm planting peppers, onions, zucchini, and more flowers. All right, so we're gonna try this again. New vegetables, same deal. I'll see you in like a week when they start to, you know, do the shit. All right.